What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be doing a install video, and this video is gonna be sponsored by Memphis Shades. So huge thank you, huge shout out to Memphis Shades for sponsoring this video. We're gonna be installing some hand guards that they sent out to me, and also they are also sending me out 2 more additional pairs for me to give out to you guys. Yes, you beautiful subscribers. So 2 of you will be lucky winners to receive a pair of these hand guards for your bike. Now, they were gonna ship me out a pair when they sent me out the fairing, but I said no at the time. The main reason why I want them now is because the cold weather is here, winter's here, and I need something to cover up my hands. Obviously, this blocks all the cold wind that hits your fist when you're riding, and that's the main reason why I reached out to them. Like, hey, listen, I need some hand guards. I'm not gonna go into the winter this time with my hands being frozen again. So this is a small box right here that the hand guards come in. Very nice and packed. So in here we have 1 hand guard. Finish on here is really nice, guys. It has a nice gloss look on it. It looks really cool. So I'll bring 2 of these, and then it'll bring the parts that you need to install it onto your bike. Alright guys, so in the box you're going to be receiving some instructions on how to put everything together. I'm going to make it very simple for you. Alright, so one of the little baggies you're going to have 2 brackets, and you're going to have all the grommet kits and little screws and everything. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and I installed the throttle side. So right now what we're going to do is that we're going to put together the clutch side. So you're going to notice that for the clutch side you're going to have the longer bracket, which we have here. You're going to have 2 screws and 2 grommet bits. So for the grommet bits, what we're gonna do first is that we are gonna take it apart, take the little rubber grommet off of it, and then what we're gonna do with that is just put it through the holes right here, as you can see. All right, so once we have both rubber grommets through it, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna insert this in here, insert another one. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to take our bracket, we're going to place it over here, just like that. We're going to take our screw, already with the washers on there. Alright guys, so what you want to make sure is that your bracket is facing upwards as well. You put your screws in, you tighten them up. It's still a little loose, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to go ahead and tighten it up a bit. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and I unscrewed this already. I'm just going to take it off right now. Just be very careful. Once you pop this up, you're going to have your bolt and your washer there, and this is going to slip right off. It's going to stay connected through the wire. And then we could just lift up your mirror. So what we're going to do is now is I'm going to put the hand guard over the hole where the mirror was at. Then we're going to put the mirror right in there, right over it, so I can hold it in place. And it'll hold it right there in place. So now we're going to take the washer and the bolt that we took out before. What you're going to do now is take your lock washer and your bolt, and you're going to put it right underneath. You're going to take that turn signal, put it in place. But you don't want to go ahead and tighten it up right away. What you want to do is just put it in place so you can play around with it. Make sure that your turn signals are still, you know, at the right position where they should be at. Now once you have everything in place where you want it to stay at, you go ahead and tighten everything up. Little by little. Not all the way, because you want to go ahead to the front and make sure that everything looks good still. Alright, that looks good. I had an issue with the other side, but that's because I had stripped the bolt a long time ago of the turn signal trying to adjust it, because it was loose and I was trying to tighten it up and I stripped it. So I got to get a new bolt for that. So that one, that turn signal on that side is like, it's been facing down a little. Ta-da! And there you go. Very simple, easy install, guys. As you can see right here in the directions, they make it very, very easy for anyone to install it. Like I always tell everybody, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just okay with my hands. So if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it. All right, guys, there you go. Everything fits really good. All right, guys, so now that we're done with the install video, we're gonna be going over everything you need to know to win one of these free pairs. Like I said before, it's gonna be two, that's four. It's gonna be two winners, so I'm gonna be picking out two winners. So 3 easy steps that you need to do in order to be a winner. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You need to be following me on my Instagram, which is the same name as my YouTube, MovaKid87. And number 3, you need to post a thumbnail on your Instagram and tag 3 friends. Very simple. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, post up the thumbnail on your Instagram and tag 3 friends, and that's it. You'll be thrown in the pot. We're gonna be giving it a few weeks, and then I'm gonna be picking out the winners at random. Like I said, 2 awesome winners. It's gonna be 2 winners. Once again, a huge thank you from Memphis Shades for sponsoring this video and allowing me to do this for you beautiful people. All right, guys, I think it's gonna be it. This is my 2020 Lowrider S, which I'm building out little by little. There's tons and tons of other mods that are coming within the next month or 2, guys. I cannot wait to share everything with you and do all these install videos for you guys. If this is the type of content you're into, you're definitely in the right place. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.